Okay, now we go to paying people. All in one single form. I usually like to put all forms and queries and whatever tables that relate to a certain concept. I put it all in one form. That way you have it all at your fingertips. So let's say it's time to pay somebody. I'm going to choose a tree planter here. Julia was the fastest planter on the crew at double my figures. I'm humbled. So you want to pay somebody. I've chosen Julia. This shows me how much she's planted overall, how much she's earned, and I see here that I've paid her this much, and total that I owe her is $17,000. And I want to pay her now something, so I'll go down here and I'll choose Julia. Hi Julia. Her last name pops up, and let's say it's 8/1/9, August 1, 2009. How much do I want to pay her? I owe her $17,000. Okay, I'll give you $5,000. Okay, and we'll call it a cash advance, or sent a check, whatever. Sent a check. This is just comments for you. Now I press Shift Enter is to update, but this has been looped through the system, so basically how to update this, sometimes it works to go records refresh. No, it didn't. So another way I do it is I press this twice. And now I see, hold on, Julia. Now I see that this has dropped down to 12,000 because I just paid her 5,000. That's just another example how the accounting system is all interconnected, so you don't have to go to some spreadsheet and say, okay, I'm going to pay her this much, and then go to another spreadsheet and update all this sort of data. This is all of Julia's figures right here. For Salmon Arm, for all the contracts. It's a little bit wide. I was used to working on my boss's computer is a little bit wider, so I haven't adjusted it for my computer yet. He's actually included this as well. So these are very easily adjusted for the size of your computer monitor. This is all of Julia's, and this is based on species breakdown. So we got the contract, then we got the block, and the date, and you see that maybe on a particular date we've got 3 different species. If we go here to the table to the right, it's broken down by day, so all the species are combined per day. This is very easy to set up, but I just set it up for my boss this way. Because you might want to know the total figures per day. You got 10, 11, 15. So you got 2 ways of looking at the data: per species, per day. You go down further. This is how much owe all tree planters, because you are in the paying people. So I threw this subform into this form, and you could see everybody I owe. Now, if you go to Julia, where is Julia? We see that we owe her 12,000 because this has automatically adjusted. Because above we just paid her $5,000. Now we only owe her 12,000. Before it was 17,000. And this figure is also adjusted. Before it was 152. Now it's 147 because we've paid Julia $5,000. This I'll explain later. And that is the paying people sheet.